Chapter 15, Qualified Plan Investments, PowerPoint questions. Number 1. When an employer offers employees a funded benefit plan, a fiduciary relationship is created. The answer is true. A fiduciary relationship must always be created when the employer offers employees a funded benefit plan. 2. Fiduciary rules spell out the specific responsibilities of each person involved in the design and maintenance of any benefit plan that an employer has for employees. The answer is false. It does not spell out specific responsibilities of each person, but talks about the fiduciary relationship and the fiduciary responsibilities which must be met. Question 3. The diversification requirement applies to all plan investments, especially plans that hold employer securities or employer real property. The answer to this is false. The book tells us a major exception to the diversification requirement applies to holdings of employer securities and employer real property. An eligible individual account plan, that is, a profit sharing, stock bonus, or employee stock ownership plan that specifically permits the holding of employer real estate or qualifying employer securities, may hold such property in any amount and may even hold such property as the exclusive assets of the plan. Therefore, 3 is false, as this is appropriate. Number 4. The penalty for violating a prohibited transaction rule is always just 15% of the amount involved. False. A transaction not corrected within a certain time frame is subject to an additional 100% penalty. Number 5. Equipment leasing can be an attractive investment to private investors. The answer is true. Equipment leasing is one of the items specifically mentioned as being proper for private investors in their qualified plans. Discussion question. I'll pause the video, read the question, and then we'll come back to an answer. Pause the video now. Although plan trustees may be relieved of fiduciary responsibility, it is prudent for the employer to provide information to the employees regarding education on investing, evaluating their investment performance, understanding the consequences, and estimating the total amount needed to fund the employee's retirement goals. So this would be employee education is very important, and providing materials would be necessary in order to enhance their fiduciary responsibility.